Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you will notice that I'm not doing what I usually do, which is vlogs, because I've decided that I'm going to create some interesting videos for you guys this holidays. And so today I'm going to be exploring a trend that was really popular last year, and that was called slime. And this is what it is like. This is what this is. Slime last year was Google's top trend of 2017, and last year kids were making thousands of dollars off these. And you'll notice that on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, literally videos will get millions of views because they're making slime. So I actually asked one of my friend's cousin to make this for me, and so she's made me a list of what type of slime it is. I'm going to try it and see what's so good about it. Okay. So the first one that we have is a yellow glittery slime, and it's this one. And the name is called Gold Digger. I'm pretty sure that this is named by the girl who made them. And so we're gonna try it. I don't know whether this is going to make a mess on the table. What do I do? This isn't even my house. Just by taking off the lid. Yellow glittery slime. Oh my god, it actually is really slimy. I don't know what to do. Ooh, it feels weird. It smells like lemonade though. Apparently oh, and it's got hearts there. Can you see it in the camera? How do people get this out? Am I just supposed to? I've seen online that they do it like this, right? Oh my god, that's Matt, who is behind the camera, can play with these once I'm done with each one. It kind of feels like snot. It smells quite nice though, not gonna lie. Probably because it's made out of shaving cream and shampoo. So apparently there's a girl online called Slime Girl on YouTube, and she makes 6 figures a month doing videos on slime. The next one's called Green Slime, and it's a crunchy slime, and the name is called Mint Drop. It's like metal balls or something. Oh, I like this one. Am I creating an ASMR video? And then the next one is Blue Fluffy Slime. So Blue Fluffy Slime is called Blue Buttercream. Woo! You know what the smell is? I already know what the smell is. If it's shampoo, it's Garnier Fructus. Definitely. For sure. So that's the Blue Fluffy Slime. I feel like you can't play with this for long. Apparently it only lasts 3 to 4 days, and I've already had it in my house for 3 days, so. Look at that. I can make this into a mustache. If it's called lavender smoothie, this better smell like lavender. Sorry, Tiffany, if I feel like I'm being judgmental. It kind of does smell like lavender. And this one's a lot harder than the other ones. This feels like a smoothie. This is why it's called smoothie. This one feels nice. I like this one. That feels soothing. Okay, now after I've mutilated it like this, it doesn't even come out of the package, to be honest. I'm going to pass it on. Oh, I even made an air bubble. I'm going to pass it on to Matt. Fruit Loops and milk. Fruit Loops, for those who don't know, is a cereal. And right now, I can already see what's in there. So she's put little rubber bands in there. And use them as Fruit Loops. The name of this foam is called Chewed Up Bubblegum. It does look like chewed up bubblegum. It looks a little bit like curdled cheese. What is this white stuff? It's really hard. Is that glue? I want to know. Can you hear it? psychologists have said that the reason why like children are, or like kids are so into this these days is because they're so used to like the digital screen. When we were younger, we used to play on the playground, right? But now they're like, they grow up on their iPads, and so now they're like, oh, we need to have some other senses. And the next one is called Dark Rose Pink Slime, and this is the last one, guys. So if you see there, oh, this one's really pretty. Oh, it's really sticky. Okay, so I think that this is coming to the end of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I don't know whether I will actually know any other trends that kids these days enjoy, but if you know any, let me know and I might try them out. I know that there's like one that people is like Musically, but I think that was already in like back when I was in high school. So I think that I'm going to do some other ones. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.